Hey traders, going to make a quick video here to share a little trade that I took earlier today that put me over the top for passing another valuation account. Basically, what I'm always looking for these days is trades that have three things going for them at the same time. Basically, that's where you have a horizontal institutional level support or resistance being joined by a dynamic uh, support or resistance in the form of popular EMAs, and then joined also by price. So if I could, make a quick diagram of this, I'll kind of give you an idea here. Okay, so going back to how I find the original horizontal levels, I'm going to put this on a 4-hour chart. Okay, and I'm going to take swing levels off the 4-hour. For example, see this level right here? This is a swing high because your swing points to the left and to the right are lower. That makes this a swing high. Opposite would be true for swing lows. This is a 4-hour candle. This swing low right here, has a higher swing low to the right, a higher swing low to the left. And that makes this a 4-hour swing low. Okay? So why are these important? Well, these swing points represent the massive change in direction of price. Okay, the extreme high or extreme low on a 4-hour time frame of price, and the only way that price is going to be able to pivot that way is with institutional involvement. Okay, this represents where retail traders are getting stopped out en masse, and institutional traders are absorbing all the stops and then taking price in the opposite direction. Okay, that's where the winners start their position. Okay, so when price revisits these areas, this is going to be an area where, number one, institutions are going to defend their positions and hold price up. And number two, traders who went short at exactly the wrong time are going to try to, for example, here, if they went short here and all of a sudden they're underwater, if price revisits this area, they are going to buy to cover their positions and get out, try to get out as close to break even as they can. So there's two things going on there. You have institutions defending their positions, as well as retail traders trying to cover their positions at as small as a loss as they possibly can, because they've been underwater. Okay, so that's why you're going to see heavy duty trading when price comes back to these types of levels. Okay, you're going to see a liquidity pop, you're going to see volume pop, you're going to see all kinds of increase in speed of the market. Your tape is going to speed up. That's because it's getting into a very liquid area where there is a defense going on as well as a covering going on by the retailers. Okay, so when we've got these 4-hour levels, and I do focus on the 4-hour levels, although the dailies often work as well, and the hourlies work too, but I like the 4-hour levels a lot. Okay, that's just my experience has shown that those are some of the best ones. Okay, so when we have a situation, okay, where we have a 4-hour level like this, okay, that is suddenly joined by one of the favored EMAs, one of the popular EMAs like this one, 5-minute 8. And as you can see, the two lines form an apex right here at this level, okay, where you have price dropping and the EMA is following because it's a lagging moving average, right? And when it comes back test it and the 4-hour limit at the same exact time, okay, it can result in some majorly excellent trades. Okay, and that's what happened today. Price was falling, and it back tested the EMA itself, which all by itself it's okay. It's not too bad. Once here, and then it back tested the 4-hour swing point here. Okay, and then it back tested a combination of both of them together right here, and that's where I got involved. Okay, that's where I sold it, and about 30 seconds after I got in, you had the massive flush here from 622 all the way down to 477. So that was about 150 point flush. And I hit all my targets at that point, and I was able to go ahead and fund another account. So that's what can happen when you have a confluence, okay, of levels during, a high volume time of day, which in this case was about 10:40, 10:45, 10:46 in the morning. Okay. So anyway, that was the trade that put me over the top for that one evaluation account to fund it, as well as a bunch of other profits available in my other accounts. Some evaluations, some funded, and after that, I called it a day. I was happy to finish with that winner, and basically that's how it works. So if you have any questions about any of this, please let me know. I am happy to answer anything that you put down in the comments. Okay, thanks, and that's it for now.